building a modern, cable-free minimalist desktop. Putting together a clean, minimalist desk setup is one of the best things you can do for your home office. A simple workspace can help increase your productivity. To assemble your modern, cable-free desktop, the following components are needed: an under-desk PC mount, a wireless charging pad, a wireless keyboard, hidden speakers, a wireless mouse, a 3D pen, a monitor desk mount, and built-in height-adjustable desk controls. Now, let's see how to set everything up. First, install the monitor desk mount. It saves you a lot of space and results in a cleaner overall setup. You get more room for other items. You can also adjust the height, distance, and tilt of the monitor according to your physical needs so that you can achieve better ergonomics. Next, install the PC mount under the desktop. Then, place your PC in the mount, and finally, adjust the mount to the preferred position. This frees up your desk and floor space for easier cleaning. It protects your PC from spills, bumps, and dust too. For a cable-free minimalist desktop, a wireless keyboard and mouse are preferred in order to avoid cables. An essential part of a minimalist cable-free desktop is the wireless charger, which is a highly practical gadget. Through DIY means, you can cut out a cavity the size of your wireless charging pad on the underside of the desk. Then, secure your charging pad inside the cavity. You now have a desk that can charge your phone. In addition to the minimalist style, functionality is important as well. You can install 2 semi-hidden speakers under the monitor through DIY means. First, take the speaker's measurements. Then, draw an outline on the desk that is slightly smaller. Drill a hole within the outlined area, and then with a suitable tool, cut out a cavity along the outline. Place the speakers in the cavities so that the speakers are suspended by the side with the cones facing up. With that, your hidden speaker system is complete. Of course, built-in height-adjustable desk controls play an important role in making your desk cable-free. Similar to the hidden speakers, first take the control panel's measurements. With these measurements, draw an outline on the corresponding spot on the desk. Using an appropriate tool, cut out a cavity for the control panel. Don't forget to smooth the edges of the cavity. And then, install the control panel with the controls facing upwards. The built-in controls do give a premium look. The cable-free desktop setup is basically complete. What remain to be organized are the cables under the desk. For cable management solutions, the tool you can use is the 3D pen. First, take out an ordinary pen. Then, using your 3D pen, draw a coil around the barrel of the ordinary pen. Upon cooling, the coil can be removed from the barrel and it is elastic. You can draw coils of varying lengths and thicknesses according to your needs. Put the coil around the cables needing management. With that, your cable management is complete. The adjustable height allows you to alternate between sitting and standing, making working from home that much healthier. Your clean, minimalist, and functional desktop setup is ready. What do you think about this setup? Let me know in the comments.